name is Gabe and I am in Year 5 at Hastings School in Madrid. Today, I'm going to be cooking a recipe from the country where I was born, Guatemala. This recipe is special to me for quite an unusual reason. I live in Madrid with my older brother Brian, who is helping me today as the cameraman for this video, and my dad's. My birth mother lives in Guatemala. The only things I know about her are her name, Simeona, and her job, a tortilla maker. My dad says that when he cooks and when we eat, it brings the family together. I like to think that this recipe brings my birth mother together with us too. The recipe is for tortillas with chicken in salsa verde, topped with guacamole. Begin with the fillings because it takes the longest. While it's cooking, I'm going to be doing other things. To begin with a cup of chicken breast cut into strips. 1 good handful of cilantro, also known as coriander in Britain. 2 cups of chicken broth. 2 cloves of garlic. 1 jalapeno pepper. Half a cup of chopped onion. A tablespoon of cream cheese. Olive oil. Lemon juice. Salt and pepper. A tin of tomatillo. Sear the chicken at hot temperature to seal the flavour. On the cilantro, onion, garlic, chili pepper, lemon, tomatillo, and a good drizzle of olive oil in a blender until it makes a nice paste. Turn the temperature of the chicken to low. Then pour all of the stock in the chicken. Then pour half of the salsa verde.
Okay, put your stock in, go, come on.
And then we'll cover it and leave it to cook while we do other things. All that is left now is the topping, guacamole. For this, you'll need 1 avocado, 1 tablespoon of onion finely minced, juice of 1 lime, handful of cilantro finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of finely minced green chili, a good pinch of salt. The fun part, making the tortillas. What you will need is some flour, water, and a pinch of salt. Now,
what type of flour is it, Gabe?
It has to be a nice yellow one that is not from England and that is not white.
Okay, is it corn flour?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Let's have a look as you pour it in. Okay. Just tip it all in, I think. There's the salt. Why don't you mix it, Gabe, while I pour the water in? Okay. Fold it all in nicely. Okay. Do you want to take a turn for pouring the water in?
Mm-hmm. Now here comes the best part. When my dad was telling me about my birth parent, he showed me that he bought me this model of a tortilla maker that actually works. So what you have to do is that you put a plastic bag underneath so it doesn't get all sticky. Then you take a ball, and then you put the lid on.